Are you tired of creating killer content, only to see your competitors dominate page 1 of Google? Feeling invisible? What if I told you there's a secret language that speaks directly to search engines, telling them exactly why your content deserves the top spot? That language is called Schema Markup, and in the next few minutes I'll show you exactly how to use it to finally get the traffic you deserve. So what is Schema Markup? Think of it as a vocabulary that you add to your website to help search engines understand your content perfectly. Instead of letting Google guess what your page is about, you're telling it exactly what it is. For example, your page isn't just a page, it's a recipe for cookies that takes 30 minutes to bake, has 250 calories, and has a 5-star rating. This clarity makes your website eligible for rich results, those eye-catching search listings with star ratings, prices, and FAQs that make people want to click. Your new SEO superpower. So how does this actually help you rank? First, you stand out with rich snippets. These turn your boring blue link into a visual, information-packed result with things like star ratings or event details right on the search page. Second, these enhanced listings can dramatically boost your click-through rate (CTR). A higher CTR sends a massive signal to Google that searchers prefer your page, which can improve your rankings over time. And finally, you're future-proofing your SEO. Voice assistants like Alexa and AI tools like Google's Gemini need this structured data to provide direct answers, making your content a prime candidate to be featured. Ready to put it on your site? It's easier than you think, and you won't need to write any code. Here's your quick 3-step guide. Step 1. Choose the right schema type. First, pick a schema that matches your content. The most common are article for blog posts, product for e-commerce items, FAQ for question and answer pages, and local business for brick-and-mortar stores. Just pick the one that best describes your page. Step 2. Generate the code. Next, use a free tool like Merkle's Schema Markup Generator. Don't worry, you don't have to code anything. Just select the schema type you chose, fill out a simple form with your page's information, and the tool will write the code for you. Step 3. Add the code and test it. Copy the generated code snippet. Paste it into the section of your page's HTML. If you're on WordPress, SEO plugins like Rank Math or Yoast have a dedicated section for custom code. Finally, and this is crucial, go to Google's Rich Results Test tool. Paste your page's URL to check your work. It will give you a green check mark if it's correct or tell you exactly what to fix. Don't skip this step. And that's it. Schema Markup is your direct line to Google. It helps you stand out, boosts your clicks, and drives more traffic. Here's your homework. Pick one important page on your website and implement the right schema for it this week. Then test it. If you're ready to stop being invisible and start dominating your niche, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell for more actionable SEO strategies just like this one. Now go get that #1 spot. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this content, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.